I hope you are doing great, doing well, and I hope that you are watching my video. If you are, if you want to come in the financial market for trading or investing, okay. Today I came with new lecture. This is the lecture 31, which is lecture 31. Lecture 31. This is the lecture named with how to generate own trading calls. How to generate own trading calls. Okay, guys, this is the not easy sentence for but just you. This is the not milk you take a taken and have it. Okay, you have to be master in this field. At least you have to be give that five, minimum 5 plus experience. Minimum 5 plus experience. If you want to give own trading calls to someone that, guys, you should buy this company, you should sell this company, you have to hold this company. Okay, for these three sentence you have to, sorry guys, sorry for the inconvenience. There are some people who are making a noise in my background. Sorry for the inconvenience. It could take 5 or 6 minutes. Okay, let's get started. Okay, what is the lecture today? How to generate own trading calls. You have to master in what is that capital market, like cash market. Cash market. You have to understand that is what is chart. Okay, support, resistance, and where you should take entry, where you should take entry, from where price will go up down if you have bought, from where price should go down if you have sold that particular company. You have to be expert in this segment. Okay, what is the currency market? Currency market. What is the commodity market? Commodity. Commodity market. Okay, all these markets is relate with chart, support, divergence, like bullish divergence, bearish divergence, and many more things. You have to relate these things to this market. Okay, so next we are coming. What is the next point? I am giving some fact. I am giving some uh, real fact which will help you for trading. If you are just sitting on the in front of your laptop or in front of your screen, but or in front of your trading terminal, just you have to watch CNBC TV. This is the live market update channel. Live market update चैनल. ठीक है, दिस इज द यूट्यूब चैनल CNBC TV. You have to keep your eyes that this channel. Okay, in the morning, that is only you can trade reverser trade in the morning time. In the morning time, you will get reversal trade. Reversal trade. Okay, reversal trade means what? Which type trade? if you have bought, okay, company just reverse from your buying level, from your selling level. That is the reversal trade. Reversal trade could be, it could be uh, any support area, any resistance area, any supply zone, any demand zone. Okay, that is the reversal point. You can trade reversal trade, but reversal trade can be harmful for your health. Okay, keep it mind. If you are beginner, please do not trade reversal. Okay, one more thing, if you are taking trade, let me tell you one thing. Which chart do you use for trading, NSC or BSC? I recommending you, just you should use NSC chart only. NSC chart. I personally do not use I personally do not use BSC chart. I use NSC chart only. BSC BSC chart. I use this, not this. Okay, you should use NSC chart, not BSC chart. If price is trading above opening price, that you can say this is the strong price. And price is trading below the opening price, you can say company is very weak to that particular time frame or that particular day. Okay, I'm not writing this type of sentence, but listen my word what I'm saying, and you should make your notebook, you should note it down. Okay, guys, this lecture up to here only. If you are watching this video, like, subscribe, share and comment. In the next lecture I will teach that is the what is the currency market. In the next lecture I will teach what is the currency market. Currency market. I am a multi-asset trader and a quant developer. It has been 5 years in the financial market. So I will teach over here how to trade, how to invest in financial market. It could be like capital, currency, forex, stocks, wherever chart is available. I am expert in this field. Okay. Then till keep learning, keep exploring. Enjoy. Bye guys.